Morning, everyone. If you guys check out right now, on my trade ideas, the first, since we're in the open, this is the only one I look at, and this is the surging, and SUNW is moving quite a bit right now. Right here, a lot of action. What else? Yeah, look at that. Also SPNE right here. I'll just move this like this. Since right now is the open, the only scanner I'm going to be using on trade ideas is the surging. That'll show you the gaps for a possible gap trade. So in the day, pretty much met this trend line right here, but
WDC
could go higher. Yeah, pennies. The previous one was a penny stock. Yeah, kinda. It just broke $1. It's not something I would trade. Good observation, Yuri. Let's see. Yeah, usually I look for trades that are, or share stocks that are in a little bit in the higher dollar range for more stability, that's for sure. This one right here, scan in. This one awesome could go up to here. LEN. Started tracing though. Okay, that's the daily. Let me look at the minute. And already touched the pre-market highs. So that's the ultimate test right there. It's gonna break. It kind of did a little bit. And the good thing is, it didn't. The highs is 59.95, so it hasn't quite hit the 60 mark. Traders all know that we like to make even numbers.
When
There it goes. It's about to break right now. Double dip on Discord is talking about BYND. It's also right here on the surging, BYND. If you're going to trade this one, be careful, guys. This 5 cents to 5 to 7 cent spread.
LEN.
But yeah, it really looks like it could be breaking very soon. I'm gonna put a little bit in on LEN right here. Okay. This is BYND. This is nice because the pre-market high was in 90.10. Daily. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's a nice pop up. And this high right here on the daily was what? 90.44. So there's quite a, yeah, this one's nice. There's a lot of range on this one. BYND. Bravo Yankee, what is N? Nevada? Delta. Yeah, look at that daily, guys. So here is the trend line down here. So there is LEN that broke the 60. Let me manage this one real fast. Yeah, BYND, yeah. That's a good one. Okay. I'll put a stop down here, all the way down here. BYND. It's not doing so well right now, but you know, just give it some time. It's still green for the day. Okay, one sec. Let me. So now LEN is on the counter trend.
Dow.
So we can hear Trinity is shouting out my counter trends because that's what it does. But the thing is, with the counter trends, I like to wait 3 15-minute candles, which is 45 minutes total, and we would probably only have one 15-minute candle at the moment. So just bear in mind that in my strategy, I don't counter trend until 45 minutes in.
Dow.
If you guys aren't following along, may want to go check out Newbie Trading on Discord. Maybe just Google Newbie Trading Discord, and I'm pretty new at this as well. I didn't know about Discord, but it's a chat room. I think a lot of people use it for gaming, but Newbie Trading, or Jeremy Newbie is using it to. This is his chat room to for trading, and this is what I'm seeing right now. So let me just leave this like, I don't know, like this. Because right now all there is the surging, and possibly I'm watching the counters. We're only 15 minutes in, 17 minutes in, so nothing to counter yet. But I'm still in a little bit on LEN. Okay. I look so sad here. Guys, can you confirm if my volume is okay? My voice isn't really that the strongest in the morning, but let's see.
Toll. Dow.
Here's another top on LEN right here. So right now the highs is 60.14. It just broke 60 again. And I'm just gonna hold on to it and see if it can move up a little bit more. But I'm in pretty small right here.
WW.
Yeah, I'm less than about
ENPH.
ENPH. ENPH. ENPH it. Look at this move on ENPH. This exponential move here. Nice pop up. This is ENPH. 1 minute chart. Those are some nice candles there on the 15. Just got a lot of green candles the previous days. ENPH. Just gonna retrace a little bit here. I'm just gonna have to wait that out a little bit. I'm still a little rusty at this.
TWTR.
Okay, there we go. On LEN, there it is.
ENPH.
I'm probably gonna, hold on, yeah. I'm selling 200 shares of my LEN, and then we'll see what happens. It took a little bit of effort to move this much. I'm hesitant to tell you guys the amount of shares I'm using because I don't want people following me. But let's just say that I'm over 500 shares on this one, which
Down.
isn't much. I'm only looking for like a 20-cent move. And look, gonna see if it's gonna hold this 60 mark. Looks like it may not. Here it is. Yeah, I'm out. Okay.
ENPH. SQ.
Yeah. Yuri. BYND is not happy right now. It's deciding if it wants to be. Oh, it's red. Ouch.
Dow. WW.
Delta Airlines is having a good day. Double dip is calling WW 6 minutes ago. It's on the scanner.
SQ.
So here's the thing about WW. Look at it move like this. It's crazy. Weight Watchers. I guess it's New Year's, right? Everyone's trying to lose weight. Let's see. This is a nice look here. Is it? Can't zoom out. Okay, right here. It broke out right here. So now it's near the top, and we're still finishing up our second 15-minute candle. Look at that. So I'm going to be hoping for one more 15-minute candle, and then possibly look for reversal.
WW. SQ.
So double dip has the right idea. I'm just too chicken shit to short it right now. I want it to die off a little bit more. And the 3 15-minute candles is generally my rule for not jumping in too early for me. But I see why double dip would have wanted to get in, because this is crazy. Yeah, WW has to be definitely one that you should be watching right now for reversal. It's gonna hit a wall, and it's gonna fall. At least a little bit. If you try to go long right now, it feels like it's chasing. But you could make a few cents as it approaches $46 if you wanted to go long. But 1 second, guys. I'm gonna grab my coffee. So now it hit. Let me show you. So Weight Watchers just hit a high of 45.9, and it's going down. This is typical. People want it to retrace back a little bit before it shoots right through 45.9 to break through 46. That's what at least that's what I'm hoping for, because I'm not in it yet for a short. But it's typical that they want to trace a little bit before it breaks through. And for some reason, let me see how far back I can get. There we go. Okay, now I can tell if there's any trend lines here. Yeah, the resistance lines up here in 47. How far back can I go? That's 2 minute. 3 year. Yeah. Yeah, it's generally around here. You can tell, you can kind of draw a line right here. But definitely looks like it should break 46. So give it a little bit of time here. Bears letting us know that President Trump is going to talk in an hour. Yeah, that'll be fun. In fact, if you guys don't already know, one of the main reasons you want to get Thinkorswim account is simply because you have Benzinga. Benzinga costs, I think, roughly about $100 a month if you buy it from them, subscribe. But if you get trade ideas, you don't have to pay monthly at all. You just throw in a little bit of cash into this. I mean, not trade ideas. If you get Thinkorswim, throw a little bit in to open up your account. I have $50 in mine, and you have Benzinga in the chat room, which is really awesome because it's not even the cheap Benzinga, it's the one that actually talks to you.
1.1 million share block at 998 at the ask. That's Charlie India Sandy November.
So I usually have this on all the time after 45 minutes.
PBTS, Power Best, halted on a circuit breaker at the high, $3.49, up 2%. CIBM, Cinedigm partners with all three media to launch new AVOD offerings for drama and reality. Charlie India Delta Michael.
Okay, I'm not liking how there's a red candle already on WW. That's not good. Now it's starting to look like more like a retracement for a surge up.
YEXT.
So now, well, I mean, that is,
Stericycle teams up with the X.
it's not entirely bad, but it's,
and schedule appointments with healthcare providers.
so I'm looking at the other way around now. And this is actually a good place to enter for a continuation. I don't like flipping the chart around when I'm so focused on one direction. So here's the line right here, 45.24. This is right now is a 7-cent spread. Watch that. This is Weight Watchers, WW. J-Newbie is calling, holy shit, LK. Look at LK, guys. This is insane. How come this, oh yeah, it actually did. My counter, the trade ideas has LK on top of the list. This is why trade ideas is so good. If you have the scanner set correctly, we're on our third 15-minute candle. If you have the trade idea set correctly on the counter trend, it won't announce it until the third 15-minute candle, because if it's exponential, it's not going to show up until later.
January 41.5 call on Julius Delta.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a good one. Good call. Yeah. Now it's just a matter of when to short it. So the news right now, according to this one right here, is Luckin Coffee launches smart vending machines. Gotta be careful here. See if it holds 37 and possibly short, but we haven't finished our 15-minute candle just yet. But
ECB's regards
it's safe to say that
concerted fiscal stimulus at the euro area
Charlie's
level
talking
will speed up growth in the eurozone. Says it makes sense to use all the tools at our disposal when it comes to increasing growth.
Hold on a second.
Inflation with towards levels close to 2%.
It's safe to say that you can always double on this one. Okay, hold on. I need to focus. That's LK. Just gotta be careful, guys, because on the daily you can draw a trend line, and the trend line's 37.76, around 37.
EBTS at
88.
now 361. Papa Bravo Tango Sandy.
Looks like we kind of, well, I miss Weight Watchers. MCD? Is that McDonald's? It is McDonald's. Ain't that something? Yeah, there it is. It's breaking out previous highs. I mean, in the daily. This looks like a... Yeah, it's chasing.
LK, Luckin
Because
Coffee.
the volume hasn't shown any...
$78 sweep. And Lima Kilo.
The volume doesn't show much strength. But you know, it's McDonald's. Let's find Weight Watchers. Okay. Looks like I was too late on okay. We'll see. You guys hear my little student, my Canadian pit bull. It's true what they say about Canadians. They're really nice. I mean, this pit bull is. Being distracted here. I'm training a pit bull from Canada, and they said it was aggressive to the cats, and it bit someone, bit a jogger. Maybe she just doesn't like Canadians, but right now she's playing with my cat. I just need to make sure that she doesn't kill him. Yuri, Weight Watchers, prepare for
Coming up
short.
at 10:30, inventories a draw of 3.572 million expected.
Well,
Gasoline inventories are built.
it could be the lag on the YouTube, but it looks like
3.874 million expected.
it's already come back up a bit. Okay, now LK has that consolidation here. You know, it's creating a nice, if it holds right here, then you got yourself a nice little bull flag. Yeah, look. Shh. Hey, quiet, quiet please. Come here. Yeah, double dip. Looks like. Damn it. This is the first time I'm hearing this dog bark. Hey, stop. Stop, please. Okay. Okay. Good girl. You guys want to see her? She's a cute one. Where's your face? There she is. Okay. Looks like if you stayed in Weight Watchers, you could have made a little bit of money. I don't know. I'm not sure. When did you? Shh.
Said the majority leader McConnell said there will be no haggling with the House over Senate procedures for the Trump impeachment trial.
Okay.
Says Senate's decision on witnesses for Trump impeachment trial will be made at the appropriate time.
This dog doesn't know what no means yet, so I can't really stop her from barking. Luckily, she doesn't bark as loud as most dogs. Yeah, she is cute, isn't she? She's like, yeah, Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers does not like Trump. Well, Yuri, if the timing's correct, good call, because
There you go.
my cat's playing a little rough with the dog right now. Okay. Yeah, Weight Watchers would have been a good short. But it's not like you could have predicted that, you know? So. APA. Look at APA. That's crazy. This is every swing trader's dream right here, you know? Look at that. That's APA. Let me check the small caps here. So yeah, let me hey, stop. Come here. Quiet, please. Okay? I'm hoping you guys can be able to see this right here on the while I'm streaming. I don't know if the resolution is high enough, but so just to recap a little bit, the top chart right here is the surging, basically the gap trades. So this is what I'm looking at, the blue one in the morning, and then after 30 to 45 minutes, I'll be looking at these counter trend ones. The middle one right here, the light green, is going to be the mid caps, basically anything that isn't small cap, and down here is small caps. Small caps, you know, you generally have a lot wider spreads and they're cheaper, so you can throw on like, I don't know, like 2,000 plus shares to get the, you know, get the numbers that you need. And then there's the counter trend 2, which is has everything counter trend 1 has, wait, that is missing a few formulas in there, so it's a little bit more lenient. So right now all I'm looking at is the counter trend 1 and the counter trend 2. Now if you're running these two right here, these are high-low tickers. They just throw me, when I'm bored, I'll just be browsing through these two to see which ones, if I catch a good fish or not. So yeah, I'll just leave that like that, and then trying to find something. Hey, easy. That's cute. Now you done it. 1 second, guys. I think they broke my Dyson. Huh? Don't be bad. Get ready to enter MTP. MTP? Oh, for continuation, Preston. Interesting.
Momo.
Let me try that. 1 second. I can't help you there, Preston, but good luck to you. It looks interesting. Bears and Dollar Tree, DLTR. I think that's Dollar Tree. Is it Dollar Tree? It is Dollar Tree. Very nice bear.
AMZN, Amazon, the information reporting that Amazon's Twitch is having struggles with ad revenues.
Bear is
That's
anticipating this
ANZN.
move here. Look at that. It's just tanking right now. This is the daily. Too far out.
Iran is believed to have deliberately sought to avoid U.S. military casualties in missile strikes on bases in
It could
Iraq,
go down
that
quite a
according
bit.
to U.S. and European government sources.
I'm going to have to talk to Bear about how he knows that it was going to do this. I wouldn't have anticipated that. Awesome. But yeah, that's another reason, if you're not on Discord, you should get on here to. There's some good traders on here talking. So Tariff was telling me that press Alt Escape. Let me try. One trick is leave it on the monitor with the scanners, then press the pushing behind trade ideas. Okay, I'm trying that. Let me see. Oh, I'm pressing. Okay, I'll escape. Boom.
YUMA getting a pop
Thanks,
now.
Turf.
Yankee Uniform Michael Alpha.
Momo.
Momo's moving pretty steadily up. Momo has now 4 15-minute candles and is reaching this mark right here. Do you see this resistance line? And look at the 5-minute candles. The only thing I don't like is how linear it is. So hoping for some ramp up and then a possible short on Momo.
Momo.
PDD, Pinduo Do, January 41.5 call sweep, Papa Delta Delta.
Nice. Okay.
Coming up in 5 minutes at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, crude inventories a draw of 3.572 million. Gasoline inventories a build of 2.654 million, and distillates a build of 3.874 million expected.
Momo.
Okay, I'm looking at Momo here. It's starting to create a ramp. Volumes are still a little bit down, but like I showed you earlier, we got 4 15-minute candles. It broke this resistance. Now it's a support. Next line up is 36. Regardless, it needs to retrace back. Look at the 5-minute. It's all green. Every single one of it's green. This is not. This needs to fix itself. So I'm watching this one. That's Momo. You type it in. Well, fixed it. Damn it, I can't seem to do this one. Ah, I don't need these two anyways. It's like that then. Crazy dog. Let's see. Stop. I'm shorting some here. Yep, shorting here. Okay.
Crude,
This is what I'm
a
seeing,
build of
guys.
1.2 million barrels on crude, gasoline, a
It's
build
creating
of 9.1 million distillates, a build of 5.3
resistance
million
here.
barrels.
Don't go the other way,
Crude
asshole.
dropping here.
But I'm hoping for it just to pop down, and then it'll just keep going. Or it may just pop back up, and I'm going to add, and it's going to go down. Either way, it's got to go down. I mean, it can't hold all these green candles. It's got to create at least one red candle to reset things, to make things right in the world. It's just the natural order of things. This is not sustainable.
WMT.
Walmart. bounce.
Momo.
Asshole. Looking to add to my short. Entered at 36.15. I'll leave this here. I don't want to block this. Move this like that, like this, okay.
Momo.
There it goes. Adding.
Off C.
Average is same thing, 36.16.
PIXY, Shift Pixie halted on a circuit breaker, 2372 at Papa India X-Ray Yankee.
Pixie, circuit breaker halt. Okay, it's still going against me here, but this is what I see. 5-minute chart, and this is basically the resistance line.
Momo.
This trend line right here hasn't quite met there, so I'm still okay. I'll add when I get to here. That's too high. Right around here. Hopefully it doesn't try for up here. It may, but not right now. Just because there's too many red candles here. I mean green candles here. Gotta wait for a little bit ramp in volume to run out of steam.
TSX.
I'm a little bit heavy on Momo at the moment, so I can't add unless I want to take some out. Gold. PSX is tanking.
PSX.
That's okay, yeah. Momo's finally coming back a little bit.
PIXY resumes trading now. 2640 popping here after resuming. PIXY.
PSX. APLs.
Nice entry double dip. There it is.
CLVS, Clovis Oncology, April $15 call activity, currently at $8.15, CLVS. Charlie Lima Victor Sandy.
Let's look for another red candle.
Coming up in 20 minutes at 11 a.m., President Trump will address the nation on the situation in Iraq and Iran.
Oh. Oh, damn it. J-Newbie. J-Newbie just said that he was going long and he was joking. That is not funny. For all I know, he's gonna throw in the house. It's not looking that great at the moment because the volume's down and it's still going up. It's like, we'll see. Double dip, we all go down together. At least one of us needs to survive.
BEV.
PSX did a little pop up. Yeah. Trump in 18 minutes. Here we go. Momo's not liking where it's at. It's stalling. Here's what we have right here on the 5-minute chart. Just gotta break down this line right here. Then we should see a nice drop. Maybe. Volume doesn't suggest it, but it's stalling here. There it goes. Just gonna go under here. A little bit extra volume right there. Stand up for this. Here we go. Needs to go a little bit further.
BEV. VFC.
It needs to go into 3613. That's the issue. It's my cat.
TSLA Tesla. Electric tweeting now Tesla has to move endangered bats to build Gigafactory 4 to cause delay and faces opposition.
So right now it's getting a little dangerous because it's going sideways a little bit. So I'll probably get out at least half at the highs. That's just me though. Because I'm a little heavy on it. So I want to get out so I can add if I have to. If it still looks good, that is. But it still looks good. Yeah, I forgot how much waiting there is in trading. I don't miss this part. Definitely don't miss this part of trading. Just waiting for that drop. 36.19 average? Yeah, waiting kills, man. That's really good. Mind games? Yeah, definitely. Just gotta wait. There it is. Finally. Shit. It's not, I don't think it's being too greedy to ask for at least 36. See what the 15 looks like. Yeah, 15 looks good still. Right here.
TVIX.
Okay. AM. Janubi's AMRN. That wasn't on my scanner. Huh. AMRN? Wow. That's a nice one. What kind of stock is this? It's hitting the pre-market lows, AM, RN, news play. Oh, okay. Yeah, I wish my scanner would catch something like that. We probably need to make something to catch something like that. Or just have JNewbie call it out. Yeah, who needs a scanner? Just have JNewbie there. That's nice. Looks like it could, if it's a news play, I don't know, but definitely looks like it could pop up right here. Right there. Yeah. Momo's being one of those stocks that is gonna just curl down, possibly. A little bit closer here. Now it's creating a little bit of a resistance right here. But if it really wants to pop up, I feel like it needs to hit 36 before it wants to pop up. So that's what I see.
STZ, Constellation Brands. Company says we expect mid-single digit sales growth to collection of power brands in Q4. at Sandy Tango Zulu.
Is it? Hmm.
NDAQ, NASDAQ shares dropping to the
Yeah,
lowest
it is. It's being supported on the 9 EMA. 5 minute. Well, I'm gonna hold on to this a little bit longer. See what happens. But yeah, it totally looks like it's one of those trades that, you know, if you can't wait, don't trade it. Because this one's a pain in the ass. It didn't have the issue with this trade was on Momo was that it didn't have the volume, right? All it had was the look, and there are two things it didn't have. It didn't have volume, and it didn't have an exponential move, but it was overdue. That's the issue, and so it's kind of, I guess I would say it's a 70-30 chance. Not like a sure. My cat is just annoyed that I haven't fed him in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna let this ride out. I'll be right back, guys. I need to feed him. Come on.
CRWD, CrowdStrike Holdings, March $60 call activity, 2,500 contracts, currently at 54.31.
Okay. 27-second delay? That's shit. I have a 27-second delay? Wow. Okay. I'll think of something. I think there's a way to reduce the lag.
SEC proposes improvements to governance of market data plans. Shares of the NASDAQ dropping off of that news. Also the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, briefly dropping, now bouncing back, and the CBOE also dropping initially, now bouncing back.
Okay, Momo's breaking over. I'm still gonna hold on to it, and I may just add a little bit later because it's just retarded to have all those greens. Here's what I see right here on Momo. It just broke up here, but there's too many greens. There's just too many. Now on the 15s, it kind of cleaned itself up with 2 reds, and it's doing that breakout, but it's still too much. Okay, historically it does do that on the 30, right here maybe, but there is at least a small pullback, at least on one of its greatest days. So that's what I see. But guys, I'm gonna have to get going. I have a dentist appointment.
President Trump about to address the nation on the Iran missile strikes.
But yeah, that's the power of the Discord. Double dip with Turf is letting me know that I have a over 20-second delay on my live stream using YouTube. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to figure out if there's another way of reducing that lag. But yeah, Trump is speaking now. So guys, put your seatbelts on. I'm gonna have to get ready for this dentist appointment. But yeah, just goes to show how powerful Trade Ideas is, because if you choose the right stock, you have a lot greater chance of succeeding in trading, guys. So bear in mind. I'm gonna try to figure this out for tomorrow, but otherwise, let's try to stay green. I'll check you all later. Bye.